Alright walkers, we're back again. Today we're in a place called Brinscall, which is not far from Chorley, up in Lancashire. And I'm heading up towards COPPICE. But first we're going to go and find a waterfall that's called HATCHBROOK Waterfall. If you want to get that on Google, you'll probably find it easier. But it's an absolutely beautiful day. The sun's shining through the trees. It's a nice day off, so we're going to see how today goes, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Oh, can't shut the gate. Never mind. So off we go, people. Heading, just parked up in Brinscall over there, which is sort of near the Chorley area. We're just going to head through these lovely woods and head towards COPPICE and see how that goes. Absolutely stunning. I hope you can see that on video, on how the sun just peeks through the trees and glistens off the water. What a beautiful place. Right folks, so this is what we've come to see. So this is HATCHBROOK Waterfall in the Brinscall area near Chorley. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a bit of a treacherous walk to get sort of halfway up. I don't know if you can see that. It's quite muddy and slippy, but it's definitely worth the climb. So I'm just going to head up this kind of rock steps over there and carry on the walk. Hey up guys, we're in the woods. So I've just climbed up the HATCHBROOK Waterfall. It's a bit steep and slippery, and there's not actually a path because it climbs up towards a wall, and then you have to climb over the wall. So a little bit of exploring, but it's that's what we come outside for. So I've just come a little bit off the path into the woods, and we've got the gas and the stove and the pan. So I'm just going to make a nice drink. Just a peppermint tea today, nothing too exciting, sorry. Yeah, and I'll bring you back in a bit. Bubbling away nicely now, let's cut it off. Lovely, straight in the pan, straight in the cup. Cheers people. It's a good day today. I'm full of smiles for once, which is good. But I'm just sat here in this little woodland, and it's so peaceful. All the leaves have fallen on the floor. There's birds tweeting. It's just, I just had a little moment where I thought, this is really nice. I feel happy. The sun's shining down. What more could you want? Yeah, I'm on my own. I've got a peppermint tea, but it's just the being alone in the woods. It's kind of a weird, strange, euphoric feeling where I'm just in the nature. I'm in it. I don't know if that's making any sense. I hope it is, but it's just trees. I mean, I could be sat at home staring at a screen and not doing really much, just wasting away eating junk food, but I've got out, I've come to the woods, I've found a beautiful little spot, and I'm enjoying some tea. What could be more British? So, if you're at a loss, if you're watching this video, you don't know what to do, get yourself out in the woods. It's amazing. I forgot to mention, I've got a right treat today, and I drove a good 260 miles to get this. I hope you can see it on camera. A Melton Mowbray pork pie. Now, Melton Mowbray in the UK, it's I say it's sort of east of Nottingham, is known for its pork pies, and I travel there for work sort of on a weekly basis, and every time I go, 4 pork pies because of the bloody good, the best. And being from Wigan, we eat pies. It's no secret, but these are top stuff, so I'm going to enjoy this with my cup of tea. So I'm just heading through this lovely woodland back towards the river where I parked, and it's such a magical place. It feels almost enchanted. There's so much wildlife, so much animal noise. There's birds, I've seen squirrels, I can hear woodpeckers. It's just absolutely amazing. So peaceful and just tranquil. So it's another map time. So I've found this, I hope you can see it okay. It's not very the best, but so this is Brinscall, we're parked, and I've walked all the way around the woodland here. I'm coming back up the river, back to there, but you can obviously go a lot further and round. Lovely stuff. What a beautiful spot. So, just a short little adventure today, mainly to see the waterfall, to be honest, and spend a bit of time in the woods, get myself at one. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. As always, if you could subscribe, it would mean a hell of a lot, and like it, and I'll see you next time.